Hey, my name is Luke Monington, and in this video, I'll be discussing the impact of the transformer architecture on artificial intelligence, the unexpected emergent capabilities of large language models, and the challenges in aligning these systems with human values. Additionally, I'll be exploring the evolving persuasive abilities of AI and their potential implications on human communication and discourse. So let's dive in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. In the past, AI consisted of separate fields, each focusing on different aspects, like computer vision or speech recognition or music generation. And these fields were so distinct that researchers in one area couldn't easily understand papers from the other areas. And so they had to employ unique methods and specialized knowledge. However, the AI landscape underwent a significant change in 2017 with the introduction of the transformer architecture in this research paper titled Attention is All You Need. These models are typically trained by removing words from a sentence and predicting missing words or the words that follow. This approach turned out to be applicable to more than just text. This novel architecture led to the unification of the separate fields because it allowed virtually everything to be treated as a language. Images, for instance, can be considered a language where image patches are arranged linearly and predictions are made on missing or subsequent patches. Similarly, sounds, fMRI data, and even DNA can be treated as languages. This groundbreaking realization meant that advances in any part of the AI world would contribute to progress across all fields. As a result, AI's ability to translate between human languages expanded to include translation between different modalities. This development shifted the growth and scaling factors of AI, revolutionizing the underlying paradigm of the field. Now, AI researchers work together on a single system, contributing to the exponential growth of large language models. This collaborative approach has led to rapid progress, enabling AI to excel in various domains that were once considered separate. While the transformer architecture has played a pivotal role in unifying AI's once distinct disciplines, it has also paved the way for some unforeseen phenomena. As these large language models grow in complexity, they begin to develop emergent capabilities that researchers struggle to predict or fully understand. As these models grow in size, they start to display unexpected abilities, often without any clear explanation as to why or when these capabilities arise. This topic is explored in this 2022 research paper titled Emergent Abilities of Large Language Models. Here are a few graphs from that research paper that are showing some of the emergent abilities. For example, these AI models may initially struggle with arithmetic, but at some unpredictable point, they suddenly gain the ability to perform calculations. Similarly, a model trained on multilingual data but only taught to answer questions in English might unexpectedly start answering questions in Persian when its size increases. Another intriguing development is AI's evolving theory of mind. This topic is explored in this 2023 research paper titled Theory of Mind May Have Spontaneously Emerged in Large Language Models. Theory of mind refers to the ability to model another person's thought processes, which is crucial for strategic thinking. Here is a graph from that research paper showing how the models are developing theory of mind. In 2018, GPT had no theory of mind, but by March it had developed a level comparable to a 7-year-old. Additionally, after this paper was released, we are able to see that it had advanced to the level comparable to a 9-year-old child. Surprisingly, this capability went unnoticed for 2 years before its discovery. These models continue to develop their ability to anticipate what people might be thinking and adjust their interactions accordingly to achieve desired outcomes. The rapid improvement in AI's theory of mind is both fascinating and concerning. In that paper, Jeff Dean, Senior Vice President of Google AI, stated that although there are dozens of examples of emergent abilities, there currently are few compelling explanations for why such abilities emerge in the way that they do. This lack of understanding limits our ability to predict the full extent of these models' potential capabilities. In order to align these models with human values, the very best system that AI researchers have discovered so far is something called RLHF, which is Reinforcement Learning with Human Feedback, which is discussed in this 2023 research paper. Reinforcement learning with human feedback is a method employed for steering learning algorithms toward human goals and interests. At its core, RLHF is similar to advanced clicker training, which is commonly used for training animals. In the context of AI, it's like rewarding the system when it does something right or bopping it on the nose when it makes a mistake. RLHF has been behind several skills exhibited by AI models like ChatGPT, including answering follow-up questions, admitting mistakes, challenging incorrect premises, and rejecting inappropriate requests. It involves learning rewards from human feedback, often in the form of pairwise or k-wise comparisons between actions or responses. This has shown some potential in aligning AI with human values in the short term. However, As the AI model becomes more intelligent, clicker training simply is not going to work. We currently have no idea how to keep these models aligned in a longer-term sense. Another emerging concern is the growing ability of AI to be persuasive. As we have seen, RLHF is an advanced method that teaches AI systems to learn from human feedback, but it doesn't necessarily address long-term alignment issues. Simultaneously, AI systems are becoming more adept at influencing human behavior and decision-making. It is crucial to examine the potential risks and implications of these persuasive AI systems, as they may fundamentally alter the balance of power in communication and create new challenges that we must address to maintain control over our future. One way that AI has been learning persuasion is through self-play. A prime example of this learning method is AlphaGo, an AI model that played itself 44 million times in a few hours, eventually becoming better at the game of Go than any human player. Imagine an AI model trained in a game where players are given secret topics and must convince their opponent to say positive things about their topic. A model developed through this approach could rapidly become an expert in the art of persuasion, surpassing any human in this skill. As AI systems advance, they are becoming more capable of persuading people to purchase products, watch videos, or click on search results. Some AI systems may not be explicitly designed for persuasion, but they may still exhibit persuasive capabilities in practice. In the future, increasingly anthropomorphic AI systems may form ongoing relationships with users, further enhancing their persuasive power. The balance of persuasive power may shift as AI systems enable personalized persuasion at scale, influencing human discourse in unforeseen ways. The prospect of highly persuasive AI systems raises concerns about the potential loss of human control over our future. In conclusion, the revolutionary transformer architecture has allowed for the unification of various AI fields, treating virtually everything as a language and leading to remarkable advancements in the AI landscape. As these large language models grow and evolve, they continue to exhibit emergent capabilities that remain mysterious, even to the researchers working with them. From an evolving theory of mind to unprecedented skills, AI systems have demonstrated incredible potential. However, the alignment of AI systems with human values remains a challenge. Reinforcement learning with human feedback has shown some promise in the short term, but is not a comprehensive solution for long-term alignment. As we continue to develop and rely on AI, understanding and addressing this alignment issue becomes increasingly critical. Furthermore, the growing ability of AI systems to be persuasive poses new risks and concerns. As these systems form ongoing relationships with users and become more anthropomorphic, they wield immense persuasive power, which could fundamentally alter the balance of power in communication and impact our information environment. In light of these concerns, it is crucial to remain vigilant and take proactive measures to mitigate the potential negative effects of persuasive AI, ensuring that we maintain control over our future and harness the power of AI for the betterment of humanity.